Hi, I'm Jada of Jada and David. Today, we're going to take you behind the scenes of how we put together one of our favorite hot pink photo shoots. It always starts with paint. I love going bold with my color choices. For this set, we decided to go with a monochromatic hot pink paint job. Once all the paint had dried, we started building our set. The set involved 3 flats, 1 floor, a frame piece, and a lighting panel. First, we set up the side flats because they were the key structural element of the set. We used drywall screws, jacks, and sandbags to secure the flats. Once we had the side flats in place, we moved on to the frame piece. We attached this piece on a dramatic angle to create a forced perspective illusion. Then came the ceiling flat. This was the most difficult one to install. We lined it up with the sidewalls, then David directed it downward to create another dramatic angle. Finally, we added in the lighting panel, which was just a piece of corrugated plastic. We shined our strobe on the panel and the set came to life. We lit the set using 3 lights. We used a large octabox for fill, a strip box for downlight, and then of course the corrugated plastic lighting panel. The set glowed. I hopped inside the set for the light test and practiced some posing ideas. We made a few adjustments and then the set was ready for action. David mounted the camera up high on a C-stand so I could shoot down on the set at an angle. I was tethered in so I was able to use my laptop to trigger the camera. We had one of our favorite models, Hannah Grace, model for us. The goal was to create images that alluded to Hannah being stuck inside of a device or some sort of screen. I guided her through a variety of different poses. Hannah brought the energy and elevated each pose with dynamic facial expressions. Overall, this shoot was a success. I love the images we created in our hot pink set. We couldn't be happier with the results. Subscribe to see more wild set builds and photo shoot behind the scenes.